Autumn.
Autumn, also known as fall, is a beautiful season full of color and change. It comes after the hot summer and before the cold winter. The air becomes cooler, the days get shorter, and the leaves on the trees change colors. Autumn is a time of beauty, harvest, and celebration. One of the first signs of autumn is the change in the weather. After the hot days of summer, the air starts to cool. The mornings and evenings are crisp and fresh, and people begin to wear jackets and sweaters. The cool breeze feels refreshing after the warmth of summer. The days also get shorter, and the nights come earlier. Perhaps the most beautiful part of autumn is the change in the leaves. The green leaves of summer turn bright colors like red, orange, yellow, and even purple. Trees like maples, oaks, and birches become colorful and make the landscape look like a painting. People enjoy walking in parks or forests to admire the fall foliage. The sound of crunchy leaves underfoot is a sign that autumn has arrived. As the leaves fall from the trees, they create a colorful blanket on the ground. Children love to play in piles of leaves, jumping and throwing them into the air. It is one of the simple joys of the season. Raking leaves is also a common activity in autumn as people clean up their yards and prepare for the coming winter. Autumn is also a time of harvest. Farmers gather the crops they have grown throughout the year. Apples, pumpkins, corn, and squash are some of the main crops harvested in autumn. In many places, people visit apple orchards to pick apples and enjoy fresh apple cider. Pumpkin patches are also popular, where families pick pumpkins to carve for Halloween or use in cooking. Speaking of pumpkins, autumn is famous for pumpkin-flavored treats. Pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, and pumpkin spice drinks are all popular during the season. The smell of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves fills the air, creating a warm and cozy feeling. Many people enjoy baking during autumn, making delicious treats to share with family and friends. Autumn is also a season of celebrations. One of the most popular holidays in autumn is Halloween. On October 31st, children dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating. They knock on doors and ask for candy, saying, "Trick or treat." Many people decorate their homes with spooky decorations like ghosts, skeletons, and carved pumpkins, also known as jack-o'-lanterns. Another important celebration in autumn is Thanksgiving, especially in the United States and Canada. It is a time when families come together to give thanks for the food and blessings they have received. The main meal usually includes turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie. It is a time to appreciate the harvest and spend time with loved ones. In many countries, autumn is also a time for festivals and fairs. People celebrate the harvest with music, dancing, and food. In some places, there are fairs with rides, games, and contests. These events bring communities together to enjoy the season and celebrate the hard work of farmers. Autumn is also a time for outdoor activities. Many people enjoy going for hikes or bike rides to see the colorful leaves. The cool weather is perfect for spending time outside without feeling too hot or too cold. Some people enjoy camping during autumn, sitting by a campfire and roasting marshmallows as the stars twinkle in the crisp night sky. In addition to outdoor fun, autumn is a time for cozy indoor activities. As the weather cools, people like to stay inside, wrapped in blankets, drinking hot chocolate or tea. It is a great time to read a book, watch a movie, or spend time with family. The cooler weather also makes it a good time to cook hearty meals like soups, stews, and casseroles. For many students, autumn means going back to school. After the long summer break, children and teachers return to the classroom. They start new lessons and see their friends again. Autumn is a time of learning and new beginnings, both for students and teachers. Another sign of autumn is the migration of birds. Many birds fly south for the winter to find warmer places. You can see large groups of birds flying in the sky, forming a V shape as they travel together. Watching the birds migrate is a reminder that winter is coming soon. Autumn is a season of change, and this change can also be felt in people's moods. Some people feel excited and happy during autumn because of the beauty of the season and the fun holidays. Others might feel a little sad as the days get shorter and the weather gets colder. But autumn also brings a sense of peace and calm as nature slows down and prepares for winter. In many ways, autumn is a time for reflection. The changing leaves remind us that life is always changing and that each season has its own beauty. The harvest reminds us to be thankful for what we have. The cool air reminds us to slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of life, like a warm cup of tea or a walk in the park. In conclusion, autumn is a season full of beauty, change, and celebration. The colorful leaves, cool weather, and harvest make it a special time of year. Whether it's enjoying outdoor activities, celebrating holidays like Halloween and Thanksgiving, or simply admiring the beauty of nature, autumn offers something for everyone. It is a season that reminds us to be thankful for the blessings we have and to appreciate the beauty of the world around us.